Hello, welcome back. In this video, I will tell you how to create active link on scroll for your Divi website. For this purpose, go to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugin, add new plugin, page ID, page scroll ID is the name of the plugin which you have to install. Okay, search. Here it is. Install the plugin and then activate it. In next step, go to the plugin setting and check the following options. Scroll duration 800 millisecond, 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second. So change it to your respective, and scroll type you can change it to anything. Well, I will keep it to default. You can change it to linear or radial also. Okay, uh, take all these options except for the second last one. Okay, allow only one highlighted element at a time. Keep the current element and moving forward to display widget ID. Prevent other. Okay, uncheck the second last one. Now go to your Divi settings. Click on the theme setting and find enable the fixed navigation bar. And one more thing, enable the back to the top button in your Divi setting. Now next is you go to your menu and appearance, click on menu and then create a custom link. Here follow the following instructions. Okay, I will link these two custom menus option to the already built sections. So whenever someone click on this about or services, the active link scroll directed to the respective section. Now copy the website URL and then slash paste hashtag and about. Do the same for service. Here we go, hashtag service and the link test is services. Okay, the next step is to add the CSS ID. As it is not showing the CSS ID, you can see the above screen option. Here, tick on the CSS field and now enter the CSS ID for both about and services. Okay, for first one AN1B and for second one AN2B. You can type your own. Now go to your website, enable the Divi Visual Builder, as we have to assign these IDs to our respective section. Okay, enable the Visual Builder. Here we go. Okay, for services, I will assign my ID and CSS class. Okay, paste the services, link test, and class CSS class A and 1B as I assign it in the menu section. For about section, click on setting, then section setting and then advanced and enter the CSS ID and CSS class. Okay, save the settings. Now wait for a few seconds and then exit the visual builder. Then we check the if it works or not. Here we go. The active link on scroll is perfectly working. Thank you for watching.